Morning, sir. I'd say global. Good morning. Isme focus of the recent. Good morning. Hey, good morning.
And by the impact on Lado Sarai, Malka Ganj, Teriyaki, King Kong, Mon Amour.
A script can tell us that a character is losing his mind. It can write out the dialogue of a man suffocating under corporate slavery. But a writer's words only go so far. To make an audience subconsciously feel psychological decay, a director has to use color.
Camera, action!
In Imtiaz Ali's Tamasha, cinematographer Ravi Varman didn't just light the scenes. He painted Vaid's psychological fracture. Today, we are breaking down the script mechanics and the secret color theory Tamasha uses to show the death and eventual rebirth of an artist.
Vardhan Sani.
The film begins in Corsica.
Fine. साले झंड फकीर सुअर की औलाद मर जा साले कभी थैंक यू
Vaid and Tara make a pact to tell nothing but lies.
इतनी फाइट मार के तो यहाँ आया हूँ जब मुझे कोई नहीं जानता. मैं कोई भी हो सकता हूँ, कुछ भी कर सकता हूँ. किसी को पड़ी ने डॉन.
मैं मोना डार्लिंग.
तो मैं आपको मोना कहूँ या डार्लिंग?
But visually, this is the only time in the movie we are seeing the absolute truth.
आओ वादा करें कि हम अपने बारे में जो भी कहेंगे झूठ कहेंगे.
और झूठ के सिवा कुछ नहीं कहेंगे. And what happens in Corsica stays in Corsica.
Corsica represents Vaid's untamed childhood imagination. Notice the color saturation, the intensity and richness of the color. The palette here is vibrant, warm and harmonious. The sun is always at golden hour, hitting them with amber light. In film psychology, warm ambers and golds evoke comfort, freedom, and raw passion. The best films introduce us to a character's internal world almost immediately, helping us connect with them on a deeper level. By wrapping Vaid in this high-contrast, explosive color palette, the director forces our brains to associate his true creative identity with warmth and light.
तेर बीबी
दिन को सिस्टर, रात को
ये बिकिनी अब नहीं टिकी.
घाघरे में धूमधाम.
He is vibrant because he is authentic. We fly back to reality.
We'll figure out what the general feel is.
4 years later, Tara meets Vaid in Delhi.
So, I mean, we should go back and find out from there.
Just a
if they
moment,
can
please.
help us.
Remember?
Corsica, oh my god.
And the color palette undergoes a violent shift.
तारा महेश्वरी.
वेदवर्धन साहनी.
ये रियल वाला नाम है ना?
हाँ, ये रियल वाला मैं.
4 साल हो गए और अभी भी वही हाल है.
The warmth is completely deleted from the film's universe.
और मैं हमेशा ऐसे ही बिहेव क्यों करती हूँ जब भी मैं तुमसे मिलती हूँ.
Please.
Welcome to the blue of ennui. Look at Vaid's environment. His office cubicle, the boardroom,
yet has a 360 perspective.
His clothes and even his apartment are drowned in cold, metallic, desaturated tones. The overhead lights are no longer the golden sun. They are harsh, flickering fluorescent tubes. We know from the script that Vade is putting on a mechanical performance to please society.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Hi. Hi.
Hi.
Hello.
To mirror this on camera, the director strips the life out of the frame. The cold blue palette subconsciously signals isolation, clinical depression, and emotional numbness.
से मिली और पता नहीं क्या सोचा कि मैं क्या हूँ पर यहाँ पता चला नहीं मैं वैसा कुछ नहीं हूँ मैं तो बस एक नॉर्मल इंसान हूँ
Vade hasn't just taken a corporate job. His colorful inner child has been systematically bleached out.
मैं तो पागल हूँ ना मैं चिल्लाऊंगा शोर मचाऊंगा सीन क्रिएट कर दूंगा मुझे तो अंदर ले चलो छुपा लो कंट्रोल करो इस वैसी साले जानवर को
Hi.
This visual warfare culminates in the most heartbreaking scene of the film.
ऐसे यहाँ
मैं तुमसे ये कहने आई हूँ कि गलती मेरी है.
The cafe confrontation during the song Agar Tum Saath Ho.
मैंने कुछ ऐसा कह दिया अपनी स्मार्टनेस में कि तुम डिस्टर्ब हो गए.
तुम मुझे दूर हो आई फील मैं कुछ कर दूंगा
फिर वही तो प्रॉब्लम है. तुमसे दूरी तो नहीं रह सकती.
This isn't just a breakup between two lovers. It is a violent collision of two distinct color palettes. Look at how the frame, Tara is bathed in soft, expansive, warm yellow lighting. The script positions her as the anchor of truth. She remembers the colorful dawn from Corsica. But Vade is sitting in the shadows, surrounded by cold, dark, muddy browns and blues.
तुझे तो प्यार हो गया पगली है
हाँ वेद.
पर किसी और से
When Tara hugs him, she is literally trying to pull him back into the warmth. But Vade's frame remains dark. The script demands a tragic impasse. And the camera delivers it by refusing to let their lighting environments merge. He is trapped in his blue shadow, and she cannot burn hot enough to save him. Does an artist come back to life? He has to reclaim his palette. When Vade finally breaks his routine,
पापा मैं कहानी सुनाऊं
confronts his father through storytelling,
मैं मैथ्स में अच्छा नहीं हूँ I'm sorry
and returns to the stage, the visual grammar of the film reverses. The cold blues and greys are banished. The film returns to a spectacular Technicolor palette. The intense reds and golds of his childhood stage return.
Ladies and gentlemen, presenting the storyteller.
But this time, they aren't confined to a holiday in Corsica. They fill his everyday reality. The script closure matches the visual closure. Vade is no longer wearing the grey tie. He is wearing the colors of his own stage. The secret story told by the color grading is complete. A man who went from vibrant light into absolute darkness just to find his own spotlight. Imtiaz Ali and Ravi Varman prove that cinema speaks to the subconscious.
Oh, by the way, Don. 2.
In Tamasha, every color feels what the characters feel.
Matahali.
तो मैं आपको माता कहूँ या भारी?
तो फिर डंग 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 डंग.
What's your favorite visual moment in Tamasha? Let me know in the comments and don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video on Talk Top Cinema.